On this episode of First Issue Ever, we are going on the road to dive for some back issues at Frankensons. Better hurry up, I'm leaving right now.
First issue ever!
What's up, everybody? It's Steve, usually first issue ever. And it looks like that I'm at McDonald's, but I'm not. I'm at Frankensons, the City of Industry in California, which is this massive indoor flea market that has tons of the stuff that you and I want. That's first issues or issues of any kind, action figures and all kinds of crazy stuff. So I'm here looking for something specific. You know what it is. Just like last time, if you watched the first con ever video, I'm here looking for deals. So I'm gonna go diving in those back issues and see what we find. All right, let's check it out. Avengers number 1, X-Men number 1. Never even seen one in real life. And then there's this X-Men number 1, the most printed comic in history. I wonder which one is worth more. Here's my stop, the back issue bin. Quarter bin, 50 cents? Talking ROM. Found some ROM, Peter.
Found some ROM?
And some RAM. Found ROM and RAM. It's a little bit of computer humor for you. Remember when I said I'd kill you last? I lied. Peter, put down that middle finger. Everyone's favorite pedophile robot, the Vision. Wasn't the Vision creepy?
Yes.
Thank you.
Deadpool?
Thank you for agreeing with me. Yeah. Lego Deadpool. Can you guess how much he is? $39. $39 for the real Lego Deadpool. Harley Quinn is only 12, so you do the math. Punisher. one for you. Imagine babies.
Dang. That's the only one that's for sale.
Or the charm.
Hey, you love these things, and they're everywhere. You and those things.
Well, that's because
It's because she loves them more than you.
I think I'm coming to this guy.
18, tiny. So I found a box, Series 2 Samsung cards. Guess how much the fellow wanted for them? $106. Wow. Yeah. For trading cards. Poster has probably been around longer than you guys have. Box office losers, am I right?
You know?
Purchase number one. What can I say? I'm a sucker for ducks. I need to borrow that from you too. I don't think I ever really had one. I think maybe my brother was given one for his birthday and I kind of took over it. Took over it. The man tried to con us with his Simpsons drawings. I don't think so. Hey, he wants to make a comic together. No, I don't work with con men, except for Peter. He's killed for comics. He really has. I have a feeling your Spider-Man was involved in the Kennedy assassination. Somehow. I'm gonna prove it.
All right, now we are safe and sound back at the #1 headquarters. What'd you think, huh? Pretty riveting footage. Who knew I was in the midst of a serial killer the whole time? But don't worry, I used my wits and got away from him. Post haste. And I hope you do the same too if you ever find yourself in the midst of a serial killer whilst hunting for comics. Frankensons, here are my thoughts. You heard me say that it was a flea market? No. It's more like an amalgamation of resellers. You know resellers, it's mostly a term thrown around for video game dealers. They're guys that go out and they scoop up all the video games from people who are selling it for a decent price, and then they resell them at an inflated price, to those who, I don't know, maybe are really desperate or don't really know what the proper prices are and stuff. But yeah, so basically the prices on everything were insane. Mostly it was the popular IP stuff, the stuff that was in the movies. I remember seeing a collection of Rocket Raccoon comics. It was like 30 bucks. I'm sorry, Rocket Raccoon is not worth that much money. I mean, sure, he was in the movie and he was funny and stuff, but 30 bucks for his 4-issue miniseries? I'm guessing, I don't know, all these guys, they get together in this giant, warehouse thing, and I don't know, maybe they're hoping all these people that don't really know anything about comics show up and they go, hey, I know that guy from the movie. Oh, I know someone who would love that comic because they saw the movie and they loved it. Basically, if you're a guy who's looking for deals, like me, it might not be the best place. I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff to look at, as you saw from the footage. Maybe, if you're looking for the more high-end stuff, maybe that's the place for you. There was a lot of, quarter and 50-cent bins that you can dive through, and I dove through quite a few. But, you have to be willing to put in the time and effort, because the people who are selling that stuff, they have no idea what's in there or where it is in there or if it's in any kind of order at all. So if you're looking for flea market prices, you might want to look elsewhere. Cool place to go to once. I mean, if you've got money that you're not afraid to throw around, then it might be a place for you. And those are my thoughts on Frankensons. Thank you so much for watching First Issue Ever on the Road. My name is Steve, and we will see you next time.